Hey guys, welcome back to Vipin Coding. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a whiteboard using KivyMD or Kivy, right? In this tutorial, you will learn how to design this whiteboard as you can see in this video, right? This is a whiteboard and this is a button to erase the that I have typed, right? That I have drawn here. You can erase this by clicking on this button, and you can again type here x plus y equals to 2, 4 as you want. You want to use this whiteboard, you can use, right? So in this video I'll teach you about how to design this whiteboard, right? So let's get started. First of all, see, this is our code, right? This is a simple code to make this whiteboard, right? So let's delete this code and start again to teach you. I have deleted this code. Now first of all, we have to import from KivyMD dot app import mdf, right? From kivy dot uiux dot visit import visit. Okay, now from kivy dot graphics import line and color. Okay, now from kivy KivyMD dot uiux dot button. Here we'll take MD flat button, or we'll take MD round button. Okay, we'll take MD round button. Okay, MD round flat button. Okay, now we'll create a class that is draw input. We'll take input from draw input. We'll pass visit. Okay, then we'll create a function that is defined on touch. When we will touch, then what will happen? On touch down, then we'll print touch. Okay, so that we can, okay, with self dot canvas. Again we'll type color. We'll take here pen color, right? Our pen color is red. Okay, now touch dot ud line okay, line points, that is touch. Touch dot x will get the coordinates for that where we will touch our mouse or pointer, right? Touch y, it will get the coordinates of these 2 points, and then again we will make a function defined on touch move. Okay, when we will move our touch, it means when we will move our pointer, then what will happen? Then print touch touch dot ud. Again we will take line and we'll get points plus equals to touch dot x touch dot y, right? Now define on touch up. When we will release this pointer from the touch screen, then what will happen? Print left, or you can say released, right? Touch. Okay, now we have create a main class. Make sure you have make a proper indentation of each function, right? Class vipin canvas, or you can say anything, any name to your app. Okay, vipin canvas. Okay, we will pass here MDL. Then what will happen? We will define build function. Parent, that is widget, self dot painter, draw, input. Then we will create our eraser button that will erase our all that we have designed on our whiteboard, we have typed on our whiteboard, right? So we will take an eraser. It will a button, okay? MD round button, that is, we will take a text on it, that is erase, okay? Now we'll set the size of the button is size int 0.5 0.8 as you want. You can set your size. Okay. Now we'll set the position of the button, that is 680 to from left and 10 from bottom. Okay. Now we will bind this erase button. Eraser dot bind on release. On release, what will happen? Self dot clear canvas, right? It will clear the canvas. Parent dot add visit, that is self dot painter. Okay. Now parent dot add visit eraser. It will show all the eraser and our painter in our whiteboard, right? Now return parent, right? Now we'll define another function, define clear canvas, that we have used here. Okay. Canvas self object. Okay. Now self dot painter dot canvas dot clear. Okay. So now our code is ready, and let's try to run it. If name main, okay, that is vipin canvas dot run. Okay, I have following columns here. Now you can see we are getting some error. Why? We have forgotten space here. Okay, sorry, I have made something wrong. Now all clear. Now let's check. This is our code complete. We have done. Now let's try to run it again. It will work. If we get an error, then we will resolve it. Okay, let's try again. We are trying to run this code. It will work or not. Let's see here. It is working for us. You can see. I'll show you how to work. Okay. Now this is our whiteboard again we will get that we have designed. You can see here I am making some randomly text and I am going to erase this. It's working very well. Okay, so guys, this is our video about what is whiteboard and how to design in KivyMD. So guys, if this video helped you in a little bit, then you can share this video to your friends also. And if you want latest updates, more updates about Kivy app and Python tutorial, then you will join us and subscribe our channel. Till then, happy coding!